Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can connect your OKX wallet to Doublecoin. So guys, you're mining Doublecoin. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect your OKX wallet. It's very easy. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now for you to connect your OKX wallet to your Doublecoin mining bot, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see tax. You can see where it is written tax. So let me tap on tax right away. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to make sure you tap on OKX Wallet. You can see it's right there, it's already selected. Then what you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see connect OKX Wallet. And as you can see there, you're going to be receiving a reward of 100,000 Doublecoin by just connecting your OKX Wallet. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading. You can see what's written there, connecting a wallet. So it's going to be directing us to our OKX Wallet, the app already. And also guys, there's something I need to point out. In case you're trying to connect your OKX wallet and it's not connecting, you can actually use a VPN. I will recommend the Turbo VPN. You can use the Turbo VPN and you can use jamming as your location. Then it's going to connect. You can see it's loading up. My OKX wallet is loading. So let's just wait for a few seconds. Wow guys, can see what's written here. Doublecoin wants to connect to your wallet. You can see the permission that will be given to Doublecoin by connecting your wallet right here. You can see down there they say number 1, view your wallet balance and activity. Then the second one is send sign-in request. So guys, now what you have to do right away now is to tap on where you can see connect wallet. You can see it there at the bottom right corner. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see connecting. You can see it's loading up. Wow guys, can see connected. So guys, now by doing this now, you've been able now to connect your OKX wallet to your Doublecoin mining app. So guys, now it's going to be directing us now to our Doublecoin mining app on Telegram. So let's just wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see it has automatically directed me to Doublecoin. You can see now I've received the 100,000 reward. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye.